Mike Barrett have been on orbit. This is their 26th day aboard the International Space Station. As they continue to work in space, another crew is preparing to go to space in the upcoming month. Atlantis will be carrying a crew of 7 to the Hubble Space Telescope to do some refurbishment and replacement of instruments there. Today, 2 of the spacewalkers are in the Neutral Buoyancy Laboratory near the Johnson Space Center here in Houston, practicing the plans for the 3rd spacewalk. On that spacewalk, John Grunsfeld and Drew Feustel will be installing the Cosmic Origin Spectrograph. That's a piece of equipment that will perform spectroscopy, the science of breaking up light into its individual components. And the new science instrument will replace COSTAR, the corrective optics package that was first installed on the Hubble servicing mission, the initial Hubble servicing mission that enabled the scientific instruments to compensate for a slightly misshapen primary mirror. The astronauts on that 3rd spacewalk of the STS-125 mission of Atlantis also will conduct repairs to the advanced camera for surveys, which has experienced some power failures and causing 2 of the telescope's 3 observing channels to stop operating. All told, the advances aboard for Hubble are expected to put new technology to improve the telescope's discovery power by 10 to 70 times over the course of those 5 spacewalks. That launch currently scheduled for May the 12th from the Kennedy Space Center in Florida. Launch time is currently scheduled for 12:31 p.m. Central Time, 1:31 p.m. Eastern. Crew members joining those 2 spacewalkers will include Commander Scott Altman and pilot Greg Johnson, as well as mission specialist Mike Good, Megan MacArthur, Mike Massimino, and of course they'll be visiting the Hubble Space Telescope. Again, these are live pictures from our Neutral Buoyancy Laboratory where spacewalking astronauts can be properly weighted so that they mimic the weightless environment in space. Of course, things move in space just as Newton's laws would predict, and so although something may not be heavy in space, it doesn't weigh anything, it still has its original mass, and so once a movement is started with that item, it will continue to move in that direction until affected by another force. So spacewalkers spend a lot of time in this underwater pool, the largest swimming pool in the world, as they work to train for their upcoming spacewalks. As the team in the Neutral Buoyancy Laboratory continues to practice for the upcoming Hubble Space Telescope 3rd spacewalk here in the Space Shuttle Flight Control Room. Flight controllers are doing a simulation today for the possible rescue mission that would go up to the Atlantis in the unlikely event that there was a problem with connecting with debris on the launch from Kennedy Space Center. That rescue mission rolling out to the pad last week so that the shuttle that would go up to rescue it is ready for launch. Again, in the unlikely event there would be a problem during the ascent of Atlantis.